Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to use the iPhone reflection ringtone on your iPhone in iOS 26. With iOS 26, Apple has introduced a fresh variation of its classic default ringtone reflection named iPhone. This new ringtone features a modern remix with a slightly livelier tone. While it is not enabled by default, you can easily activate it in just a few simple steps. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Sounds and Haptics option. And then you have to select Ringtone from the list of sound options. Then you have to scroll down to Reflection section and tap on it. You will now see the new Alt1 variation listed underneath. Now all you have to do is just select it and you're all set. Your iPhone will now use the Alt1 tone whenever you receive a phone call. If you're not hearing the new option, make sure your device is updated to iOS 26 beta 2 or later. Keep in mind that this ringtone isn't selected automatically, so you'll have to manually activate it, and that's all there is to it. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to give your ringtone your personal touch, and I'll catch you up in the next one.